How to Make Pop-Up Cards, written by Monica Hughes.
Introduction. Pop-up cards are fun and easy to make. Just cut out a card, find a picture, and make a spring. Glue them all together, then open your card. Out pops a surprise. Follow the instructions and make a pop-up card yourself. Things you will need: a pair of scissors, some photographs or pictures, a pencil, some thin card, a glue stick, a ruler, 2 strips of paper of different colours, a small stapler, a large pebble, some felt pens. Making the frame. 1. Fold the thin card in half. 2. Press along the fold with your finger. 3. Now press it again with the edge of your ruler. 4. Draw a rectangle on the front of the card with your ruler and pencil. Leave a wide border round the edge. 5. Bend the card and make the first cut in the centre. Cut out the rectangle following the pencil line. 6. Cut as neatly as you can. 7. Use felt pens to write a greeting on the frame and decorate the border. Choosing the picture. 1. Try the frame on top of different pictures. Find a picture that fits inside the card. Make sure the picture is larger than the frame. 2. Cut out the picture so it fits in the frame. Tip: if the picture is on thin paper, stick it onto thin card first. Making the spring. 1. Pick up the 2 strips of paper. Put the end of one strip on top of the other strip to form a square corner. 2. Staple the strips together at the end. Three. Fold the bottom strip over the top strip and press it down. Tip: make sure you have a square shape each time you fold. 4. Fold the bottom strip over the top strip again. 5. Make sure that you are making a square shape. 6. Follow steps 3 and 4 again and again. Remember to keep the square shape as you fold. 7. Stop halfway and check that your spring is still a square shape. 8. Carry on folding until you reach the end of the strips. Finishing the spring. 1. Glue down the last fold and press it hard. 2. Cut off any extra paper at the end of the spring. 3. Make sure that your spring works. Finishing the card. 1. Glue one end of the spring inside the card. 2. Cover the spring with the pebble and leave it until the glue is dry. 3. Open out the card. Glue the picture to the end of the spring. Cover it with the pebble and leave it until the glue is dry. 4. Use felt pens to write a message inside the card. 5. Well done! You've made a pop-up card.